abstract. Technology is the practical application of scientific knowledge, particularly in industry. A warehouse is a facility in conjunction with storage racks, handling equipment, employees, and management resources that allows to control the difference between the arriving and exiting flows of goods. So we make an RFID innovation in the warehouses in order to match the customer's expectation and to make their life easier, and also to have more effective and efficient operations in the warehouses. RFID tags can obtain more data than barcodes, which can hold a variety of various forms of data. RFID can also notify you when products arrive or exit a warehouse, and RFID can be put at the facilities entrances and exits to allow real-time inventory tracking as it flows in and out. RFID do not require line of sight because the data from an RFID can be read from a distance. RFID can also assist you to optimize the floor layout. This is due to the fact that RFID can provide data in real time.
Hi, my name is Designer. My number is 820-82218. Motivation and background. RFID is also basic near-field communication. NFC have been developed during WWI. The groundbreaking electrical musical instrument developed by Lion was the forerunner for this era. In past, the manual warehouse management made the movement within the warehouse slowly to slow the hand making, and then efficient warehouse management and differential in reading the barcode. It is not clear. RFID and automatic technology to technically identification code to code instead of the handwriting method by optimizing warehouse operation process. It can efficiently improve the efficiency and accuracy of warehouse. Plus, can help warehouse management more efficiently and provide the facility to scan goods in the line with the barcode. And only one set of barcode can be scanned at a time and do not require time to all.
And my military number is A20A1658. There are few problem statements that have been faced by GDEX company. The first one is security and privacy, which is security and privacy issue through our supply chain that easy can be hijacked. Second one is high cost, that extra cost had been included in order to implement the RFID innovation in supply chain industry. And lastly is damaged product. The impact implement the RFID can impact the product that cause damage to the warehouse as lead to generating cost for warehouse operation.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Noatia Rosli and my number matric is 820-82213. Next is model. We do innovation of this RFID is through replacing outdated asset tracking and inventory management method and technology. So when the workers go through a door that has RFID scanner, the RFID scanner will scan the RFID tags that are on the trolley carrying all the goods. So with the presence of RFID tags and by using RFID portals, the outgoing of delivery goods will done automatically.
The next one is discussion. Warehouses operate in constantly changing environments, particularly in the light of massive changes in global supply chains, which have a direct impact on warehouses. Thus, warehouses face many challenges to be effective and efficient. The first challenge is low traceability and connectivity. Companies struggle to know who made the raw materials, who transported them, which lot they belong to, when and where they went, as well as the remaining phases and who was in charge in warehouses. So RFID can help the situation by improving cargo flow information management. The second challenge is inaccurate inventory and outfitting. This is because having too many or too few goods might be an issue because it results in storage costs or missed sales in the end. RFID aids in the creation of correct and transparent outfitting and ensure that invoices match the purchase orders. The third challenge in warehouses is incorrect time management. The inability to pinpoint the exact location of products has an influence on execution times and causes delays across the supply chain. So RFID can help provide real-time information about inventory and location, allowing to avoid duplicating activities and significantly reduce execution times. The next challenge is excess of stock. RFID can identify individual items or components. It's ideal for complex or customized manufacturing processes, like ensuring that specified molds are filled with right amount of liquids and fired for the right amount of time, or that specific components end up on the right production line. Hence, RFID could be quite beneficial to warehouses in terms of increasing the efficiency of their operations.
Next is expected contribution. The first one is increase efficiency and cut down the rework. This is to enable observation and close monitoring of product and process that allowing quick action and process improvement. The second one is increase accuracy and reduce time spent. Implementing RFID into innovation reduce time in order to hand scanning the product that results significant improvement in inventory tracking. And the lastly is reliable track and trace. When process conditions are extreme, attaching this durable RFID tags can handle the need for reading or writing data to an object even the harshest environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next is key question. The first one is, can RFID reduce cost? The answer is yes, it can. By using RFID, we can reduce the cost of workers' salary. Second is, will this RFID reduce the risk of misdelivery of goods? The answer is yes, it is. This is because by using RFID, the outgoing delivery of goods will be done automatically. So the percentage of missed goods will be reduced. The next question is this RFID able to prevent the occurrence of loss of goods in the warehouse? Yes, it can prevent the percentage loss of goods in warehouse. This is because if the goods will bring out the goods, they will go through the RFID scanner. So our RFID scanner will record the outbound of the goods. So the occurrence of loss of goods will be reduced. The last question is this RFID able to prevent the thief in the warehouse? Yes, it is. This is because the thief will have to go through the RFID scanner. So they will think that it will be a problem for them to steal the goods in the warehouse. Thank you.